Hey, I'm Fish. I'm with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and yeah, I want to give you my wish list. Santa, I'm keeping an eye on a number of things. The Insta360 Go Ultra. It's $449.99 still today. Is the price going to be dropped for the Fish? The Rode Wireless Micro just came out and it's $149.99. 5 colors. I'm looking for white. I'm wondering if that's going to be available anytime soon. Boy of Magic's got 2 sets. I'm looking for the least expensive set. $89.99. Is that going to drop down? I don't know. The Insta360 One X4 Air. It's what, 3 and change? And the X4 is $339 as a bundle kit. I wonder if that's going to drop down or if it's good as the X5. The Extra Muse or the Extra Edge 2nd Generation Pro. I didn't mention anything about DJI Osmo Action 6 Pro because that's just a dream electric cube nano. Are those cameras gonna be out there for me, Santa? That's what I'm keeping an eye on. I know I can find the Extra Muse to be one of the lowest price cameras on the market today, because DJI, they just basically increased their price right up to double the amount, which you cannot afford of retail. And it sold for, like $299 back in the days. And we have, yeah, thank you. We got people to thank. And that's the way life is, about taking your money. So the thing is right now for me, I'm thinking again that I should grab the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and use it as my primary camera. I have a microphone. It doesn't matter which mic I use, if it's a DJI Mic 2 black, or the DJI Mic 2 white, or the DJI Mic Mini, or the Insta360 Air mic. It seems that Insta360 is now naming their cameras Air. And Air is going to be their newest, latest name. And I don't know if it's tied in because they're getting into the drone area, but I need to have something where if I put my hands in front, or if I'm doing something close by and I'm this way and my hands get in front, that's what happens with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. You cannot lock your autofocus in place. You have to go into the camera and start to set the manual focus, and then over here I'll be all blurred and I don't want a motion shot, and over here it just takes way too much time. The Fish needs something that is fixed focus, and I don't think the ZV-1F is going to do that for me. But hey, I may just go back to it because it seems to be the better camera without the product showcasing and the aperture that basically gets to me. I want a camera that locks that autofocus in on the main subject and not the hands and me getting between the camera, and that's the problem. I want everything to be focused, crisp and clear. And the funny thing is, I just did a video for a company, and the problem for me is I watched the video, it's not 4K, and I swear I shot in 4K, and when I look on my machine, it looks like it's 360p. I figure the season started over with the walks and the talks, and that's what I'm doing. I didn't hop on the bicycle in the wee hours this morning because I don't know if the weather was permitting. I did go with the scooter to Lowe's and I got myself some, is it Toughest Nails? No, that's the TV show, Liquid Nails. I wonder when Toughest Nails is coming back on. Oh man, that should be coming back on soon. I missed that show. Did they just decommission it and not bringing it back? We watched the last 5 series. It's no more. I gotta keep an eye out for it. See what happens to it. I gotta check the internet. Let's see if we could find any information on it. Toughest Nails, next series. When's it coming on?
Here's what I found.
Siri don't read. She don't know how to read. Apple TV, Paramount Plus, and another streaming service. Doesn't show regular TV. Maybe they moved it over. I gotta go check on a real computer. Speaking of a real computer, the Apple M5, Apple M6. Oh man, touchscreen, 16-inch. I'm in, baby. I'm in. I gotta go meet up with Joe and take care of Bizwax, and I got Bizwax to really take care of. I got some editing to do, leftovers, and some I need to put into a story. And I got some, good things coming, some, things that bronze, that are platinum. And you know what I mean, I just can't say it out loud. Run me over. Yeah, I had the right of way and the bicyclist almost ran me over. Well, I got light above, like the War of the Worlds. Time for me to get on out of here and say see you on the next walking vlog.